Have you ever had to transcribe a video from YouTube? Whether it's step-by-step tutorial or any other content of your interest that you want to save in text, there is a tool that helps you to automatically grab the audio of a video from that platform. A good option is HogarTv. It is quite accurate in transcription. Once you enter the site, you will need to create an account. You will then be redirected to the section where you can see the plans for payment plans, in case you want to switch from the free version to a paid one. The free version offers 30 minutes free. To get more time, you must buy the paid plan or recommend friends. Once you enter the section, you must upload an audio or video file to transcribe and select the desired language. Once the file has finished uploading, click on Transcribe. After uploading the file, HogarTv will start processing it. When it finishes transcribing the video, it will display the word done next to the file name. You will then be able to select the action to take with the text file. If you choose the export option, then you will need to choose the format in which you want to have your text file and download it. When the file is completely downloaded, you will get an editable text. Another very effective method that you can put into practice is using YouTube's automatic transcription. To use it, just look below the video window where the share, add to list and save options appear. There you will see three dots that open a menu when you click it. If the creator of the video enabled the function, you will see that in the menu you can find the option Open Transcript. When you click on this option, a window will open to the right of the video where you can see the transcript, which is running in real time with the video and has a timestamp on each sentence. In gray color, you will see highlighted the phrase that the speaker is saying at the moment.